Hello everyone, welcome to module 3. This module is focused to learn more about hard disks. Hard disks have been our long companion in the world of storage systems, so they are worth learning about, even though that currently we are trying to find a better way, faster storage technology compared to hard disk. And that's the reason why we are shifting our gears towards flash-based technologies, solid-state technologies, etc. But well, if hard disks were not that good, then they wouldn't have dominated the field of storage system for so long. So many lessons to learn from hard disk, and still we do use hard disk majorly as our storage drive in many of our personal devices, such as workstations, servers, as well as many of the enterprise data centers. So at a large scale, hard disks are still one of the major storage device in the field. So what we would learn in this module is we would get to know more about how to answer these questions, such as how do modern hard disk drives store data? What is the interface to interact with hard disk? How is the data actually laid out and accessed within the hard disk? How does disk scheduling can improve performance? As well as we would learn about things like performance of simple hard disk drives, how to measure that, and what are different scheduling techniques.